I'm going to teach you the most practical way to get 4,000 watch hours. This strategy is very realistic and very practical. So if you have been struggling on getting your 4,000 watch hour for monetization, by the end of this video, you are going to understand how you are going to get that 4,000 watch hour. This video is going to have a little bit of mathematical calculation in it, but don't worry. If you follow this video step by step, you're not going to get missing. This is not the y, the x. This is not calculus. It is like the simplest math you are going to see. So if you want to know how you get 4,000 watch hours the most practical way, this is not turn a button, turn off a button, this, that. This is you going to use your own analytics to know when and how you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours. I'm going to break it down for you, how many views you need to get and how many videos you need to upload to get that watch hour, working with the data from your videos. If this is something you like, welcome to the channel. Hi, my name is Stella. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. The first thing we're going to do is to go to our YouTube studio. Very simple. Go to our YouTube studio, we'll go to the analytics and we're going to check our average view duration. What is average view duration? So when you upload a video or on your channel you have series of videos uploaded, accumulation of all your videos, this is the particular seconds or minutes or hours that people watch your video to that extent. That's the population of your audience. This is the particular point they watch your videos to. So you are going to go to your studio and get your average view duration. Then after you get your average view duration, now we'll go back and we're going to do this simple mathematics.
Firstly, your videos, for example, your videos are, let's say, 10 minutes long on average. So you post videos of 10 minutes long. The next thing we're going to look for is your average view duration. This is if you post maybe 5-10 minutes video. This is 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 videos that you post, and per video, this video now, the average that people watch it is, let's say, 3 minutes. So your average view duration is 3. This average view duration, this you can also see it in your YouTube. You see it in your YouTube studio. This is found in your YouTube studio. So this is just an explanation. This is just a basic explanation of what average view duration is. It is just the average, the median of your videos. So they watch your videos for 3 minutes. Next thing we're going to say is 60 seconds make what? 1 minute. Okay, then 60 minutes make what? 1 hour. This is simple to say. Then we'll come here and say 60 over 3, which is what? That is what? 20 views. So in 1 hour, you can see this is minutes. That is why we use 60, because we want to convert it to hour. So in 1 hour, Stella is getting 20 views. Can you see? It's as simple as that. So if she's getting 20 views in 1 hour, now we're going to calculate how many views will she need for 4,000 watch hour. This is why we are here. So you just come here and say 4,000 multiply by the 20 views you get per hour. Now it's as simple as that. This is simple mathematics. So we'll say 80,000 views. Can you see? So you need 80,000 views to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour. You need 80,000 views to get your 4,000 watch hour if your average duration is 3. So if your average duration is 3, you change it, you convert your average duration to views. And I want you to understand that one video can actually give you this. If you get one good video or multiple videos, if your videos are doing well, you can get this. So this is just calculation, this is just statistics. Now this is how many views you need. I know my amount of views I need for my 4,000 watch hours. The next thing is, how many videos am I meant to even upload before I can get these views? This is very simple. So summary of this is, we're just going to say total number of views divided by number of views per video. Simple. This calculation, this formula is just it. So now our total number of views we got earlier, let's say 80,000 divided by number of views. If the number of views you have per video, like a typical growing channel, you have like 1,000 views, 500 views, it depends. So for this calculation, let's just say you have 500 views per video. So we'll just come and divide it by 500. Okay, so now we have 160 videos. Very simple. So now the total number of videos you are meant to put up to get these views, this total number of views is 160 videos. That is if you are getting approximately 500 views in one video. Like if you post one video, 500 views, post another video, 500 views, post another video, 500 views. So you need to post 160 videos to be able to get this 80,000 views. And when you get 80,000 views, is equals to what? 4,000 watch hour. Simple. It's as simple as that. It's as simple. This calculation is not hard. And if you find it confusing, go back again and watch it. This is not hard. So step 1 is what? Go to your dashboard and get your average view duration. Get this. It is in your dashboard. You just go to your analytics and get this. It can be 1 minute. It can be 1 minute 30. It can be 1.5, 1 minute 30 seconds. It can be 2 minutes. It can be 3, whatever. And one thing I want you to know is that the longer your video, the longer the view duration. So this is just like a calculation, but what I want you to know is that as you are posting this 160, I want you to know that even before you finish posting this 160, I can bet you, in fact, come and find me anywhere, I can bet you, even before you finish posting 160 videos, you are going to get this 4,000 watch hour. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your videos will do well. In fact, before you even reach 100, you would have reached monetization. But for the sake of this calculation is just for so you know what you are doing, just so you know you have direction. The Bible say, write it, make it plain. Write the vision, make it plain. So this is the calculation. This is how to calculate the numbers, how many videos to upload, which is 160 videos, and this is how to calculate your watch hour. This is how to calculate your watch hour to know how many views, and from this calculation got 80 views. So go ahead and do this. Go ahead and implement this.
Now that you know how many views you need to get your 4,000 watch hours, now you know how many videos you need to have uploaded to get your 4,000, 1,000 watch hours. You should know that this is just statistics. This is just calculation. One video can turn your life around. 2 videos can turn your life around. It just takes the blink of an eye to turn everything around. It just takes you one good video to give you these whole views that you are looking for. So I want you not to, don't fixate, don't put your mind on how big and how plenty these views is. Oh my god, when will I be able to upload this much videos? Rather, I want you to focus on the content, on how valuable your content is, because one video will just turn everything around. So we don't know if it's going to be your next video, we don't know if it's going to be your other video, but just make sure that you are being consistent with YouTube. You are not taking YouTube, you are not treating YouTube badly, and you are improving with every videos. If you are doing that, then I don't even think you will have to wait this much to get your 4,000 watch hour. But statistically calculating, this is what you have to do. But then again, in doing the work, you are going to even get there before that time. So if you have any question, please don't forget to ask me in the comment section. I'll be answering all your questions. Thank you so much, guys, for always sticking by. Thank you so much for our new subscribers and also our returning subscribers. You guys, returning subscribers, you guys are my OG. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.